Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find the DLC redeem code option or menu on Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have joined Dress to Impress and I'm going to show you guys how we can get the DLC redeem code menu. So first of all, you just need to click on this code menu. And then you can simply click on DLC codes and then you will be able to redeem your DLC codes here. But just remember guys that you can only get this menu on Dress to Impress on desktop, so you need to open the Roblox from your desktop, because if you open with your phone, this menu won't appear on your Dress to Impress. So I recommend you to open up the Dress to Impress from your desktop, or if you want to open it from your phone, your mobile phone, you can open it from the Roblox website. Okay, and you just need to redeem enter the code here and you will get the I think the custom makeup, but unfortunately I don't have that doll, so I can't redeem the doll code here. Okay guys, and that's all the way to find DLC redeem code menu on Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.